Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, I'm going to basically tell you how digital transformation is the way ahead for all the financial services or for all the businesses in the BFSI sector. So the recent move by the RBI has confirmed that digital transformation is the way forward for the BFSI sector. While financial services have always been focused upon using technology and data, the recent crisis, that is the COVID-19, has expedited this process of adopting technology and newer and faster ways to get things done. These newer and faster ways has helped financiers or lenders to save their time and use the same time for growing their business. I think all the stakeholders or everybody today should invest in technology and digital capabilities. So let me tell you about Jainam Software and how this will help, or how this is going to be the digital transformation ahead. So Jainam Software provides a plug and play model to adopt to all the RBI compliant solutions. Okay. So basically during COVID we saw that people couldn't come to the offices for their for submitting their forms or for submitting their KYC documents. So what happened is what we have done is, in Jainam Software we have provided all the facilities through the software itself. For example, we have the video KYC, and where the person can be identified through video itself. Okay, so his identity is known through the video itself. We also have offline KYC where there's no need for video KYC, but you can still check if the Aadhaar card is valid or not. Okay, we have inbuilt central KYC, that is CKYC, and digital KYC. Okay, and the best part of this software is all these financial entities can customize. I mean, all these the solutions can be customized as per your need, how you want it. Say you want only video KYC, we can customize video KYC. You want any other solution, we can plug it immediately. You have your own software provider who gives us the API, we include that and give it to you. Just to tell you in short, just to show you here, for example, okay, here if you see, we have bank account verification. You don't have to now go to the bank or call the bank and do all these verifications. They are all done online on a click of a button. Okay, you can check the PAN card validity. Okay, and even if there is any fraudulent activity going on, you can check that as well. You will know if the PAN card is valid, not valid. Okay, then we do have, some financiers have asked us for voting card and driver's license. So it was not a big deal for us. We have our own solution provider. If you have, you can provide us the API and we can integrate for you in couple of minutes, I can say. Okay, so same way these APIs, voting card, driver's license, we got it through our solution provider. Then we have Aadhaar card verification. This is a offline, like this is not video KYC, but we do have video KYC, and we have so many NBFCs and MFIs who are using this video KYC, because what happened is video based customer identification became one of the RBI's most important compliance related solution. So that is why we included it, so that you get all of the solutions in one place only, that is in Jainam Software. Okay, also at the same time during COVID-19 we saw that customers pending KYC norms were there. There was pending KYC. So this was taken care with respect to, video KYC from the safety of their homes through these digital channels, that is through video KYC, submitting electronic documents through DigiLocker, and using the centralized KYC registry. So this is something that will really help you to adopt to all the RBI compliant KYC solutions. Now at the same time, apart from these KYC solutions, we do have the credit bureau reporting service. Okay, this credit bureau reporting service is basically used, we have seen that financiers, they go to Paisa Bazaar or Bank Bazaar, or they have taken their own membership, and they take their credit score reports through the through the bureau services. But we have included this credit bureau reporting service in the software itself, so you don't have to go anywhere. We have the service of providing you a CRIF membership. We have the CRIF service, and we provide you the CRIF membership. If you already have the CRIF membership, that is well and good. We just take the API for you from the solution provider and integrate it in Jainam Software. Say you don't want CRIF, you want CIBIL or some other service, no problem. You provide us the API, we integrate it for you in the software itself. So what is happening is, this allows the financer or the lender to generate the credit report of the customer automatically on one click, okay, before the lender approves the loan. Or you might be having a different credit team, so they don't have to log in into a different account or anything. Everything is taken care by the software itself. Let me just show you a small example that we have in our system here. So here, if you see here, here if you see, on one click this credit score report has been generated. Okay, this is how basically the report looks like. You'll have all the variations that has been used, address variations, PAN variations. Also you will have in the account summary, you'll be able to see where the loan is taken from, where the inquiry was made. Okay, all the loan details will be visible to you before you kind of approve the loan. So this way, on one click, we have the credit report generated. Also, if you have the membership, we have there is a facility to upload the data as well. Defaulters data can be uploaded through CRIF's website. Okay, and CRIF being our service provider for a long time, they help Jainam customers in all the possible ways they can while the uploading of the data. Even while if there is any issues while uploading, they do help with that as well. Okay. Then next and very important point is the RBI compliant reports. Okay, so this RBI compliant report is as per the NBFC, right? Like for example, gold loan NBFCs have different reports, vehicle NBFCs have different reports, and then there's other NBFCs and MFIs that use different types of reports. So here it's in Jainam Software, it's so easy to have all your reporting in one place. Okay, say for example, you want a sanction letter which is RBI compliant. It can be easily done. For example, let me just show you here. We have different types of print formats that can be printed from Jainam Software, or not only printed, they can be even directly sent to whomever you want to send it. For example, we have different, here if you see, we have different types of templates that have been provided by different NBFCs to us, and we have created that for them. Okay, like we have the gold sanction letter. So we have created all these sanction letters, agreements, loan agreements, property agreements, loan cards. So anything you want can be done in Jainam Software. Okay, so for example, if I just go check any loan number, if I go check any number, let me just show you an example. Let me just show you an example here. In the print formats, you will see, for example, the gold sanction letter. You will see this is how they provide us, you know, in the form of a format, and we print it, and then you can use it. You can either print it, send it to anybody you want to send. This way we have so many RBI compliant reports as well that you need on a regular basis to be sent out. Like say there are annual reports, there are quarterly reports that need to be sent to RBI, and they can be generated online on one click through and all the data, okay, is in the system itself. You don't have to do any manual work here. Okay, so this is one more plug that we have added, so that you don't have to, you know, kind of reporting is done in a different software. No, everything is in one place itself. Now there's another very important module to this, and that is the collection, field collection that we have. Okay, field collection is a very good module where you know, you send your field agent on fields to do the collection. So they have their own username and password, and through this username and password they do the collection, and you give them access to certain, say for example you have 3 field agents, you give for example you have 15 customers and 3 field agents, so you can assign appropriate customers to appropriate field agents. We do have that where, you know, you can create your employees from employee list. An employee can be created here, and once the employee is created, you can give him the access that you want to give. Say you want to give him only collection access, so you can give him only collection. And you can also assign particular customers. Say you're doing area wise collection, so people only in that area can be assigned to that employee or to that agent. Okay, apart from this, there are many other features, like for example agent commission. Okay, agent commission is based on, you know, you can give the agent commission based on collection, or you can give the agent's commission at the time of loan creation. Okay, so for example, let me just show you how that works. Say you create a loan. Okay, so I'll just select a scheme. So you can make different types of product schemes as well. You don't have to manually configure each and every loan. Okay, so you can make different schemes based upon your business. Okay, now here if you just go down below, you will be able to see that there is a role list. In role list, there are different types of roles that we have configured. For example, guarantor, agent, co-applicant, or, you know, if he's a RTO agent, sub agent, whatever it is. Okay, if he's a commission agent, if he's you know, for example, say if he's a dealer. Okay, so in that case, you just, you know, add this, and you can based on the percentage of commission that you're going to give him, that will be automatically added here. For example, say I don't have any file number here, probably it will not allow. Okay, we've just added here a dealer, and based on the commission logic, whatever you've used, you know, if it is like, say for example, the commission logic is here. So what is the logic of your commission? How are you paying the commission to the third party? Is it at the time of disbursement, or is it, you know, when the repayment is received, or is it when the repayment on principal and interest is received? So there are different types of payment logic commissions for you know, your commission agents. Now say this is not your commission, he's a third party agent, or he's a channel partner. For example, when you know, hospital loans, what NBFCs basically they provide they provide loans to the hospitals, and hospitals disburse them to the customer. So in that case also you can have this selected as channel partner, and you can select, you know, whatever third party payment logic you want to add here. So this is a very important one, because we have seen so many places that there are third party agents involved. Okay, now apart from that, and very important thing is the annual reports, or what you can say is the MIS that you need to submit to RBI, and those are all here with us, you know, on click of a button. So you get your balance sheet on click of a button. You don't have to go anywhere. Any data issues, of if there is any data mismatch, we do clear it on a urgent basis. So our data issues are taken priority 1, and we do resolve all the data issues ASAP. Then we have profit and loss, okay, that you need to submit, and that is also available on one click. We do have the trial balance here that you can check. Okay, all these will be needed by your CAs, okay, annual to give annual reports to RBI. So those are all available with us on a click of a button. So friends, this way, you know, we have so many features in Jainam Software, where, you know, you need not have different softwares doing different things. We have everything in one place, and as I said in the beginning, I think digital transformation should be the way ahead for all the financiers and for everybody who is in the BFSI sector, to make your work easier. So I hope, friends, you like this video, and, you know, do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because, you know, there are so many videos explaining so many different features. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and have a nice day.